putting together the stocking box. So I've laid out all my pieces. I've already glued on my panels on my front and my back. Make sure your toes of your sock face each other so that you have a front and a back. Okay. On the two pieces that are going to make up the sides, on each one, the longest piece is the top part of the stocking. Okay, so this is the back edge, it's the longest. I'm just going to fold all these. I'm going to apply my panel. Okay, so this goes on the back edge. This piece is this inside edge, okay? Let's go around the toe. Okay. And then apply this panel. This also has the faux fur lining, and I'm going to use a little bit of black around the edges. I'm recording. I'm just going to go ahead and apply these now as well. So one goes there. Oops. Okay, now for my flower, I've done all my flower petals. I have not done the leaf petal yet, but I've done all the others the same way. I'm using the same black and just hitting the end of each petal. Then I'm taking my stylus and I'm just pinching my leaves around it. Okay. You're going to apply You just need a small amount of glue there in the center. And we're going to put each petal together. You don't want to use too much. You don't want your petals getting all soggy on you. And I'm going to put in the center. Okay, I'm going to set that aside and let it dry while we work on this. I'm going to start with the piece that has the tab on it. We're just going to take our time. Get this to stick. There we go. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and do the next two. Glue. Hold those down for a minute. Make sure they stick. And then go to the next two. So nothing too complicated. You just want to make sure you're getting your glue to stick, that you're taking your time and lining it up to the toe. There we are. The next one is a two-parter because I have this tab and the tab to connect it. Set that down and apply some pressure. Check it. That looks pretty good. And go to the next one. Just gonna do the small tab first. Make sure that one gets in place good before I do the next long stretch. Just going to hold it for a second, make sure it stays. Okay, and now I'm going to apply glue to this long end. I'm going to make sure it secures here at the top before I lay it down, and then I'm just going to make sure I have it. So that wasn't too difficult. To put the back on, I'm going to put the glue on all the edges, and I'm going to do it all at one time. Let's just try it out for the fit. See how I have to maneuver everything to get it to stick. The toe is the trickiest part because you have to maneuver these pieces into place. It's not extremely difficult. You may have to apply more glue in some places. That's why I'm putting it on just a little bit thicker, give me a little bit more time to work with it. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and start on my long straight edges. Just to give me something that's secured into place. And then come around here and work on this side. So I'm just using my nail to kind of pull it out. Just a smidgen. I want it out just a smidgen more. There we go. And just kind of hold it down for a second before you move it. Let it grab on, and then flip it over and run your hand along your edges inside. It's kind of hard to get up into your toe, but it has grabbed a hold. And there we have it. So my poinsettia is just going to go here on my stocking. And that is the stocking box. Thank you.